Are you going crazy trying to build a website for your company using AI or one of those online website builders? Those companies make it seem really easy to do on their commercials, but it's not. The problem is you don't know what you don't know. You don't know what needs to go on a website in order to convert visitors into customers. That comes with experience. Or maybe you've spoken to somebody about doing a website for you and they hit you with all these acronyms like SEO and PPC and SERPs. All you want is a website that converts visitors into customers and you want to be done with it. Yeah, we get it. So give us a call. We're not going to hit you with any technical jargon. We're going to explain everything fully to you. We'll sit down, see what your goals are, work on them, help you obtain your goals. Simple as that. Now, you can visit our website and see some real testimonials or look at our Google reviews for some real reviews. Call us up. Let's talk. No pressure. Thanks for watching.